Good morning, everybody. How are you? Good morning, everybody. How are you? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Good morning. Hello, my East Coast Migrant Head Start Project Bowling Green family. This is Miss Christina. I know you are used to seeing me at school or when I come visit your home, and it may seem a little strange to see me on the screen. I made this video for all of my friends in my preschool classroom. I'm thinking about all of you and sending a great big ladybug hug to my friend Anelsi, Jose Luis, Emiliano, Gael, Rocio, Aleda, Yasaida, Alonzo, Martine, Aldenai, Noel, Joshua, Malay, Brandon, and Milan. You've probably heard about a virus that is spreading around all around our country and other countries too. A virus is something that really makes people sick. And we've talked about germs in our school and always wash our hands to keep the germs away. Remember how we washed our hands? We would turn on the water, wet our hands, lather our hands for 20 seconds and sing the ABC song, rinse our hands, dry our hands completely, turn off the faucet, and throw the paper towel in the trash. Do you remember what else we can do to keep the germs away? That's right. We can cough in our elbow, or we can sneeze in a tissue and throw it away. And once we throw it away, we can wash our hands again to stay safe. You can also do some of these things at your home to keep your family safe and healthy. Our school and lots of other schools and offices and stores are closed so people can stay home and not spread any more germs. And when the germs stop spreading, guess what? We can go back to school. It might seem a little scary to see people wearing masks to cover their mouth and their nose. They are wearing them to keep the germs away. And you might be feeling sad that we can't play together and you might miss your friends. I want you to know that I miss you too. And I'm going to make some videos so we can share some stories, some songs, some finger plays together. And also do some music and movement exercises together. And I hope you enjoy them. Before I say goodbye, we will do one of our favorite songs that we like to do together. It's a quick music and movement exercise that we do in our classroom. Shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Wiggles our waggles away. We're gonna clap, clap, clap our crazies out. Clap, clap, clap our crazies out. Clap, clap, clap our crazies out. Wiggles and waggles away. We're gonna jump, jump our jiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our jiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our jiggles out. Wiggle the waggles away. We're gonna jog, jog our jiggles out. Jog, jog, jog our jiggles out. Jog, jog, jog our jiggles out. Wiggle the waggle away. We're gonna stretch, stretch, stretch our stretches out. Stretch, stretch, stretch our stretches out. Stretch, stretch, stretch our stretches out. Wiggle the waggles away. Thanks so much for watching and singing with me. Bye bye.